Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to use if and else condition. Ask the user to write the variable. Just like I am taking letter as a variable. Ask the user to input. Here I have input to check the letter is a vowel or not. Now apply the conditions if, elif and else. Print that it's a vowel. Now apply the elif conditions. If condition is false, then it will use elif condition. And now print the statements. If elif condition is false, then it will move on another elif condition. And if another elif condition is false, then it will move on another elif condition, and so on. If all the elif condition is false, then it will move on else condition. And now print that it's not a vowel. And run the program to check the result.